So what does QR codes have to do with your power tools? Well, buckle up because the next statement might make some of you mad and others furious. Now, I know what you're thinking because I thought those things too. QR codes for power tool organization, it's totally overkill, right? It's a complete waste of time and it doesn't work in a real shop. And that's where you'd be wrong. I'm using the ToteScan QR codes for my Milwaukee cabinet and I'm here to prove that those methods are dead wrong. Let's go. All right, guys, before we continue, I just want to give a huge thank you for liking and subscribing and just hanging out with me here at the General's Workshop. We love this stuff. So with that being said, let's dig in. So guys, in my opinion, these QR codes are absolute game changers. So for me, I've actually got a QR code in every single drawer of my cabinet. Now, each of these QR codes do link up with an app entry. Now, these app entries have photos, serial numbers, manuals, my notes, right? Like I even have one that talks about, hey, this saw cuts oak best with a 24T blade. Now, for me, I love that I can pull this up, you guys, at anywhere, anytime, as long as I have my phone with me. And a lot of you might be saying, well, I like keeping it on a notebook. I did too, until I realized that almost never do I have that notebook on me. So I found that the phone is one of the few things that is always on my body at any given time, right? It's a part of my everyday carry, as I'm sure that it is for you. So again, when I'm away from my shop, it's like checking a digital toolbox. Like I've got specs that are just written down. It's almost like being at the hardware store. I've done this and it saved me a ton of hassle. It is truly, in my opinion, like having a digital toolbox like this, only in digital format, right? You have this, it keeps everything all together. It's just like that on your phone, you guys. And let me ask you this. Some of you might be thinking, well, why would you just take a photograph of the actual drawer? Then you always have it with you, right? Well, let me answer that by asking you this one question. Do you think you could find last year's Christmas photo within 30 seconds? Go ahead. Now, there's my point, right? Photos just get lost inevitably, and so I found that the ToteScan system just allows me to get it whenever I absolutely want. And another thing that I thought about is in the beginning of like, well, what if I'm at the store and I need to recall something? What if I just did a Google search? I could get that information then and there. Yeah, well, that brings me to another point. Like, for instance, this one here that you see. Now, I know what you're thinking. You haven't tote scanned or you haven't QR coded. Yeah, maybe another video. But anyways, with that being said, I was trying to figure out, right? I've got these cases right here, but notice there's a height discrepancy. And I wanted to get it so that this was flat. Why? Because I would like to add one more piece on top, okay? Now, you might be thinking, well, why not add it down here versus up here? Just go with the example for a moment. All right. I had no idea. I knew that I had Packouts, but I didn't know which ones. And for those of you that know anything about the Packouts, you know that they have 1,001 different flavors. So I was unfamiliar with it. But if I had the QR code, which is nice, you can go and look and you have all that detailed information. So you can actually say, oh, I've got Packout ... right? And then you have that active information with you right there to make that. And I've also found that honestly doing a Google search honestly just takes more time. And that's one thing that my QR code, I can get and retrieve that information within probably 10 seconds based on my reception. Now, I will also say this. I don't remember. Let's move on. If you saw my original QR code video, then you'll know that I am all about QR codes to level up your shop organization. That video, in my opinion, at least for me as a small channel, really kind of blew up. And it's because you love the idea. And now I'm just taking that one step further and we're using ToteScan to keep my Milwaukee cabinet tool drawers organized like never before. This is awesome. The next myth. QR codes are just way too much. I get it. But ToteScan is easy. You snap a picture, you add notes, you print codes, done. It is cheap. With basically, they use the sticker paper or the paper stickers, whatever you want to kind of call them, but it saves a ton of time. And these codes are tough for the workshop grime, I'll tell you that. They grow with your tools. Overkill? No, it's a shop hack, guys. All right, guys, so check this out. So I scanned this QR code. Boom, it pulls up this entire drawer. Now, I can click on any one of the tools that I have in this drawer to get any of the information on it, right? So I can set my profile picture specifically to the one that I want. And that'll give me access to photos, warranty information, notes about its battery. Now, in my particular case, you can see that I also have these over here, which I actually will take snapshots from the manual. And I'm going to be honest, you could probably get a digital manual to put in there, but for me, I actually will take the pictures of the parts that I want. So when it goes over the diagram, I'll have that here, and you can see I also will include the specs that go below it, right? So for instance, on my grinder, let's look at this, right? If I want to see the arbor diameter or something specific like that, guys, that I just personally will not memorize. I know that there are some of you that might use these tools every single day, all day, and you'll have all that stuff memorized. Now, for me as a DIY weekend warrior, I don't have all that stuff memorized. So for me, this is an absolute game changer. And here's a reason why. I can't even tell you how many times I might be at work and I know that I need to do something for a project, right? I'd love to say, or I'd love to tell you that I always remember the order of things. You might think, well, just get the information before you leave, right? But what if you don't, right? On those particular cases, this just solves that mystery or basically fills that gap, right? So if I need to know the arbor diameter to determine what blade I'm going to actually be getting, well, then I can go on the app and I can find that. I can check that out. And here's the thing. Sometimes you don't know what you don't know. And so oftentimes when there's something you don't have in there, well, guess what? Next time that situation comes up, I'll make a note inside of my app. Boom, then it's absolutely done. And it's no longer going to be an issue, and I've got that solved for the next time. All right, guys, so first and foremost, when it comes to the ToteScan, I am not doing any sort of a sponsorship with them. This is just a tool that I personally have fallen in love with. I use it not only for my tools, if you've seen my other video, in fact, I'll link that when we get to the end, but you can check that one out. Now, that one goes over a lot more detail as it relates to, well, how many labels do you get per sheet? How many sheets of QR codes do you get? It also goes over the question of the app. Is the app free? Well, it is free. Well, minus the cost of purchasing, right, these. So inherently, the $19.99 that you would get for this is covered the app at this current time. And so there's a lot of other details that are in that video. So I definitely want to encourage you to check that out, because for the sake of this video, I am not going to go over all the logistics, or only because I've already done that. So for those of you guys that want to check out that other video, I encourage you to check it out right up here. I'm going to have it linked so that you can watch it. And for those of you that might be interested in taking a look at the ToteScan, I'll actually include a link down below so you guys can check it out and go directly to it. So with that being said, guys, until the next video, shoot dang, check this one out. I'm pumped. Are you pumped? I love organization. Don't forget, stay OCD compliant, people.